To start building a chart interaction, hover over the left-hand menu, then click Interaction. Find the chart template in the list, dragging and dropping it from the menu onto the page. Click anywhere to close the left menu. Once the interaction appears on the page, hover over it until the content toolbar appears in the top right corner. To edit the interaction, click the pencil icon to open the editor window. Each interaction is pre-populated with information to give you an idea of how that interaction will lay out. You can change the data of the chart interaction by clicking the table icon. Here you can edit the labels and values of the chart, as well as the axis names. Change the data colors by right-clicking to show the color picker. You can delete data by clicking the trash icons of the corresponding row. Click the plus icon to add additional rows of data. This will automatically populate the table and the chart. There are 3 different types of chart. Select this icon to switch between them. Once you have made all your changes, click Save.